Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making a block that kills you. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by deleting all the other blocks and make a platform. So I can make an obby with the kill block. So I'm going to go ahead, just stretch this out right here, and stretch this here as well. Going to duplicate this part, shorten it down like this, and there you go. So right here, I'm going to click, choose red. You can choose any color you want, but I really think red should be the only color you use for obby block that kills you. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and be pasting this out the entire obby. And there. That should be it. Alright, so select a block or part that you want to use. Make sure the Explorer tab is open. Go ahead and click the plus button that is on the selected part in Explorer. Find script right here and then click it. Make sure you don't click local script or module script. Alright, now here's what we're going to do. This is blank, so we're going to type in our kill code. Alright, we're going to do script.parent.touched C connect and then function. Now take away this right parentheses and press shift 9 and now type in hit in here. Alright, or anything you want to do. But we're going to put in hit. Now we're going to type in local humanoid equals hit dot parent wait for child quote humanoid. Now we're going to type in if humanoid then press enter again. We're going to type in humanoid take damage 100. Alright, so now you're thinking, what the heck did I just type here? Well, what you typed here for line 1, you typed in a script that makes the part expect for something to touch. So if something touches it, then it's going to create this variable, this humanoid variable, where the hit parent, which is the rig of your character, will wait for the child inside that rig in the Explorer tab, which is the humanoid. And if that humanoid is there, then the humanoid is going to take damage, which is going to make them die if you put 100 or the full health. So let's go ahead and test our game. Now for some reason, when you have the force field on, it won't kill you. So I'm going to have to wait for the force field to come off. And there you go. Bam. I'm instantly dead. This kill block works. So it won't work if you have the force field on, but once you take it off, bam, you're done. So now you've made your kill block. I'm going to go ahead and paste this script out to all the blocks. And I'm going to speed this video up so you guys don't waste your time. Alright, so I finished applying the scripts to all the parts, and I'm going to test my game. Alright, and again, I'm going to have to wait for the force field to come off so you won't die when I touch it right now. So I'm going to just go ahead and wait. Okay. Ooh, it's hard. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, there you go. Now, let's just say I messed up. No! As you can see, the blocks kill me. Now, I'm not going to waste your time by just trying to kill myself on all the blocks, because since I already know that it works, so I could just go on any random one right now, and bam. There you go. It's done. So we have now made our kill block, our block that kills you. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. To make sure that you don't miss out on any of my videos and stay updated on them, please subscribe and put the notifications bell on. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.